In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending and receiving emails easily. If you've been struggling with this issue, worry no more. We'll walk through simple steps to get your Yahoo Mail functioning properly again. To start with, you'll need to head over to the Yahoo login page. Begin by entering your Yahoo email address in the designated field. Once you've typed in your email, go ahead and click on the Next button to proceed to the password page. Here, carefully enter your password, ensuring there are no errors, and click Next once more. It's crucial at this point to confirm that your internet connection is stable. A poor connection is one of the most common reasons for issues with email, so double-check your connectivity by opening another website in a different tab or window to ensure it's working properly. If your connection checks out and you continue to face issues with sending or receiving emails, let's move on to the next step. Now, we should take a look at your spam and trash folders. Sometimes your emails might end up there, even by mistake, so open those folders and see if any missing emails are hiding there. If you don't find them, it's possible that your email filters are inadvertently directing messages into specific folders, or even automatically deleting them. To fix this, head over to your settings. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of Yahoo Mail and selecting More Settings. Within this menu, locate and select the Filters tab on the left panel. Review these filters carefully, they might be causing your issue. Make adjustments or remove them if necessary to ensure all your emails are directed appropriately to your inbox. Another thing to consider is whether your mailbox is full. If it is, it might be preventing new messages from landing in your inbox. Go to Settings again, click on More Settings, and then check your storage meter at the bottom of the inbox. If you see you're approaching or have exceeded your limit, consider deleting older emails or, as an alternative, think about upgrading your storage plan. If none of these steps have resolved your issue, give clearing your browser's cache and cookies a try. This can often resolve lingering problems with web-based services like Yahoo Mail. For those using Google Chrome, click on the menu represented by 3 dots in the upper right corner. Navigate to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure to select All Time to cover everything. Check the boxes for Cookies and Other Site Data, along with cached images and files. After that, click to delete the data. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues you're experiencing with Yahoo Mail. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.